Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll show you how to change oil in an air compressor. First off, ensure that your unit is turned off, unplugged, and has cooled down. You will want to find a suitable container and place it under the drain plug, which is located here. Next, we're going to remove the oil dipstick. After that, we're going to remove the oil drain plug. If you tip the compressor, it'll help it go a little bit faster. You want to allow plenty of time for all the oil to drain out. Once all the oil has drained out, go ahead and replace that drain plug. Next, you want to fill it back up with the correct amount and type of oil as specified in your user's manual. And lastly, reinstall that oil dipstick.